Today I'm going to be showing you how to refresh and reshape your curls by using a curling wand. Before I get into this, be sure to hit that like button for this video, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that bell so that you can get notified when we post new videos. So I'm going to unclip this craziness and you can't judge me because it's pretty bad. I've got some straight pieces, all that stuff, but it's good to show you kind of what this starts out as. So this craziness, and I don't know about you other curly girls out there, but it essentially gets matted under here. Don't know why, just happens. So if you've figured out ways to avoid that, let me know. So unclipped it all, and now I'm gonna section it off. Put my heat protectant on and get rolling. I'm always scared that I'm gonna burn myself when I'm right here, so it's a little further away, but that all gets hidden under. I just alternate which way that I curl my curls, and that just helps it to be a super natural looking curl pattern. And I also love this size wand because it gives pretty much the closest size of curl to my natural. It's important that if you do have any tangles or if you do have any matting like I was talking about, you smooth it out before you recurl your hair. Otherwise you'll get really like wonky, not very cute, not smooth at all curl. Another thing that I love about the wand is that it's smaller at the bottom, so it does replicate your natural curl. Okay, so I'm gonna do a final spray to set it all. Let it cool, and then I will kind of mess it up a little bit and make it look more natural. Okay, so it is as easy as that. I just finished my entire head of hair, which I have a lot of hair, in under 20 minutes. I know that it would probably take you guys even less time. I was going through some product and some different things, so that just was my only thing that I kind of had to detangle before I could get started. So other than that, there's really nothing to it. It is so simple. I will link the wand below so that you guys can click on the link It's an Amazon wand, super simple. I think it's less than $30. Definitely add it to your collection and let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty close to my natural curls. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.